Ano nga ba ang pinagkaiba ng isang vet clinic compared sa isang animal hospital? Everyone, this is Doc Jello and we are here at Pathology Emergency Animal Hospital. Video na to, pag-uusapan natin paano nga ba nag-operate ang isang vet hospital at kung ano ang difference nito sa operation ng isang vet clinic. Unahin natin of course ang mga veterinarians. Siyempre, both clinic and animal hospital, of course, meron silang doctors. The key difference is yung number ng vets na naka-duty and of course, yung operation hours nila. Most vet clinics, they operate between sa tinatawag natin na clinic hours and that is 9 to 5 and sometimes yung iba, nag-extend sila ng konting oras. Kaya silang i-operate with the help of 2 to 3 veterinarians only. While vet hospitals naman runs 24/7. Walang tigil, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Dahil dyan, mas marami ang workforce requirement ng isang vet hospital. Kaya naman ang mga veterinarians namin dito could be 9 or more. Sunod naman natin pag-usapan ang mga employees of a vet hospital. Since vet clinics runs at a very limited time lamang of a day, konti lang din ang requirement nila sa manpower. Few veterinary assistants and secretaries will do to operate ang isang vet clinic.Aalala ko dati, nung vet clinic pa lang kami noon, we can run with 2 veterinary assistants and 2 veterinarians. Kasama na ako doon nun. While sa isang vet hospital naman, since it runs 24/7, it requires complex scheduling and more manpower. We are composed of the following employees at i-introduce ko sila sa inyo isa-isa. First, we have the veterinary assistants. The word itself, assistant, they help and assist doctors and everyone around the hospital. Pangalawa, we have the veterinary nurses. Tulad sa hospital na pangtao, meron po mga naka-duty na nurses sa amin 24/7. At ang primary role po ng mga veterinary nurses namin dito is to take care of the confined patients namin dito 24/7. Sunod naman po dito ang mga veterinary technicians. They manage and run our laboratories tulad ng mga medtech sa hospital ng Pantao. Sila po yung nagpe-perform ng aming mga laboratory test at nagme-maintain ng aming mga machines. Bukod dyan, ang mga vet tech din po namin ng responsable dito sa aming surgery room. Sila po ang primary na responsable sa pagtulong sa mga doctors during surgical procedure at ang pag-prepare po ng surgery room and surgical instruments namin. So this is our aseptic cabinet kung saan lahat po ng mga na-autoclave na surgical tools ay nandito na sa loob. No? So malinis yan at aseptic na yan, ready for use ng aming mga doktor at ang mga vet techs po ang nag-organize niyan at nag-aayos. Ito yung mga surgical gowns namin, no? Ready to use na yan. Sila po ang nag-organize, nagme-maintain, gumagamit ng mga surgical machines and equipments namin dito sa hospital. Tulad na nakikita ninyo. Tulad naman po natin ng ating mga secretaries at ang aming client representative. They are the one responsible to take care of the clients and they manage yung mga inquiries as well as ang billing for the secretaries. Diyan din po ang tinatawag namin na orderly or si Ate Jen. She's like the housekeeping and support of the hospital and her primary goal is to always maintain na malinis at mabango ang aming facility. And lastly, our back-end management. Ayan sila. First, we have our general manager. It's actually the one responsible for all of the employees and the operation and every matter concerning our hospital operations. Ang aming accounting staff. Siya naman po is the one responsible for all of the accounting concerns ng aming hospital. Next naman, ang aming human resource staff or internal HR. So, as an HR, alam naman natin lahat kung ano ang responsibility ng isang HR sa isang company. Hindi natin explain yan. Next naman guys, ang aming inventory management staff. Inventory management staff or IMS is the one responsible sa aming inventory counts and anything related sa aming inventory. We also have our marketing officer, pero wala pa siya ngayon. Dito siya nakapwesto. He's the one responsible for the marketing side ng aming hospital. Much yan ng aming back-end management, yung support ng aming operations sa baba. That's pretty much everything about the difference ng isang vet clinic and a veterinary hospital. And dito sa Pathology, we are very proud sa lahat ng aming mga employees. We work around the clock to provide the highest possible care na pwede namin ibigay sa aming mga patients. We do not settle for anything less and we're always striving for the best. Do you have any further questions about our operation? Let us know in the comment section. So paano? See you on my next vlog. Bye!